How to make your character private in PolyBuzz. So if you want to make your character private in PolyBuzz, then what you need to do is first, you just need simply open up your PolyBuzz application. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection and make sure that you've logged into your account. Now, once you're here, you need to go with your profile section, which will be on the bottom of your screen. Once you're on your profile, as you can see that you will have characters, gallery, and collection. Make sure that you're under your characters section. Now, in my case, I don't have a character right here, so I'll just simply go and create one just for an example. Now here, I'm in the creating section. So while creating your character, if you have an option of the permission right here, you'll have public and private. So you just need to simply go and select private if you want to make your character private in PolyBuzz. And then you can go with save and next, which will be on the bottom. But what if you've already created a character? So if you've done that, on the right side, you will have 3 dots option. Tap on the 3 dots, and then you will find the edit option. So you need to tap on edit. And due to some privacy reasons, the screen recording will not be possible once you tap the edit. So you need to just simply go and tap on edit. And then on the bottom left, you will again have the edit information. And then you will have 2 options, which is basic information and advanced settings. You could just simply go with the basic information and then scroll down a bit, go with the same interface, which is permission, and then make your character private. That's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.